Hi, I'm Angel, and this is my 2005 Gen 2 Prius, which I'm about to change out to the inverter coolant pump on for the first time. And I've, of course, reviewed some videos on the YouTube, which I'm sure you have as well. And I'm going to see if I can both take you through it as I do it for the very first time, see what I learn, and apply what I already learned online. One of those things was that you can either access it here. So let me just walk you through real quick. This is the inverter. This is the coolant tank. And you can either, and the pump is right down in there. Let me show you. I bought this one on Amazon for about 55 bucks. I'll put a link in the description below. It came through Amazon Prime on a Sunday in 2 days, which I didn't even think was possible, but it did. Anyway, it's Monday now because I wasn't planning on getting it on a Sunday. And as far as I know, only need a 10 mil and a 12 mil socket if you're going to go this way. 10 mil, I think, does the whole job if you go this other way, which is to take off this panel, pick out this headlight, and then have a lot more room for this pump, which is down in here. Here's the hoses go to. You can't really see it very well, I don't think, in this lighting, and I'm going to pause you in a minute and get a flashlight so I can show you more. But I also just wanted to walk you through. I also bought some locking pliers because I'm going to fold these tubes, coolant tubes, off. I'm going to fold them over and clamp them so that I don't lose coolant, so that I don't have to bleed or fill the system very much, although I did review how to bleed it, and I did buy some coolant, which was $20. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to pause you and go get a flashlight, and I'll be right back. All right, hi, I'm back with a flashlight. I'm just going to show you in here. So there's, you can see that one bolt, the other bolt. There's 3 bolts on that bracket, a little electrical attachment, and 2 hoses. So it's almost enough room. And one of the demonstrations I saw took this off and just moved it and was able to get in there pretty good. And this relay cover and several other ones took off this headlight to give even more room. And I think I'm about to try the Headlight Method. I may change my mind here in a sec. We'll see. All right, let me walk you through what I just did so I can remember in case I have trouble putting it back together. I removed a 10 mil bolt screw from under here, one from up here. I had to pry this loose. It's kind of scary because, you know, it's all body stuff that may or may not go back the way it came. I removed this bolt over here. Then I pulled this out. Oh, I had to use a screwdriver and remove a screw over here and a little clip that was here to get this to pull out enough to remove I'm trying to pull this out so I can show you, a screw that went in there. Then another one up here, one right here, right there. And now I think that my headlight is loose enough. I'm going to pull it out of there. Should have easy access to this pump. I want to show you real quick. I missed one of the screws to the light, so I'm going to show you. It wasn't that top hole. It's actually like way down in there, which does make it necessary to pull more of the front of the whatever this stuff is, fender, I guess, out to get to it. Anyway, I'm about to get this light out of here and move forward. All right, success. It was a little hard to wrestle out of there, but I actually left some of it plugged in and just unplugged the one headlight, which ironically I just replaced the other day, and I need to re-put it in again. But as you can see, this does indeed give us super easy, nice access to this pump, which I'm going to now change out. Oh yeah, so took me a while to get the headlight out. I had to wrestle it a bit. I left it plugged into 2, and that's just because I'm silly. And it took me a while to get this little a little electric clip unclipped from the old pump, but I got the old one out. Whoops, I'm spilling stuff on me. Luckily, I remembered to bring a little rag out here to deal with spills, and I also remembered to take the 3 bolts off, remove the pump before then wrestling the 2 hoses off, crimp them over with a pair of pliers, which my pliers weren't ideal, but they did work with the fold and the crimp the way the guy suggested. So now I'm about to put this new one back in. I just got this slipped on. I'm going to put that clamp back on, put the other hose on, bolt it down, plug it in, put my headlight back on, put my panel back on, and should be good to go. Oh yeah, I'll have to top it off and probably bleed the system. I should be good to go. Oh yeah, so I had neglected to take the new pump off the bracket, which I forgot it came on, so I had to do that. And while I'm in here, I just wanted to show you, because I had another video, which I am going to probably post right before this one, on replacing my headlight. And now that I have this little, I know the lighting is terrible, I have this little cover off, which just screws right off, half turn. I'm trying to get to where maybe you can see. This little wire clip was a mystery to me because I couldn't see what was going on. So I just wanted to show you that bulb actually just pops in and out. It goes right in that little slot. You can tell when it's in the right spot. And then this clip just like clips over it. And then this comes along on top and screws on to keep any dust out of that light. So yeah, I'm about to put my light back, put my housing fender back, and top off my fluid and bleed the system, and hopefully be good to go. Oh, the sun got bright over there. There we go. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, comments, and good luck to you if you're about to embark on a headlight change or a pump change or a brake change or any of those simple things on your Prius. I encourage you to do it because it's actually super